Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm just on here to share with you guys my very first swap. So Lynn, Crafting with Lynn, had reached out to me on Instagram about a month or so ago and asked if I wanted to do a swap. And being my first, I thought, absolutely. Little stressed. I'm not sure that I did enough crafts or what have you, but this will be my first, so I'll learn from it. And Lynn is awesome, so I'm sure everything will be perfectly fine. And if not, I'll just send her some more. So I thought I would share with you guys. Now, she does have a channel, Crafting with Lynn, but she doesn't upload. She only has a couple videos on there. So that's why I'm going to share with you what I did. And if you guys have any pointers or anything that you can share with me, that would be helpful as well. So let's get into it. So first, I've shared with you guys before these little bows that I created. So I packaged those up and put them in with some sequin mix in there. And I did a little bag topper on top, and I just used a paper clip. And a lot of the stuff I didn't decorate so much because I want her to be able to use this stuff and decorate it on her own. So that was the first thing. And then I did these bows as well. And again, I just left this, the topper blank. So I like things pretty simple. But again, I'll let her decide if she wants to add to it. And it just comes from back here, so then she'll be able to take the bows out and reuse the bag for anything that she wants. So that's that. And then I did this Be Persistent, Never Quit. I shared this with you guys quite some time ago, and it's just a shaker, and then on the back it just has a different type of cardstock in there. So I thought that was cute. Then I did the chip bag and put some bows inside the chip bag. And that's what I created there. So I have 3 more bows, paper bows. And then I just put a little flower, paper flower up with some gold leaves up there. And this one, unfortunately, she'll have to open if she wants to use the bows. But, you know, I'll let her decide on what she wants to do. I just stapled them so they're just quick and easy to take those staples out. But I've never made the chip bag. That was actually quite fun to make. Then I made, I shared some time ago, these tea bag shakers. I adore doing these. These were really, really fun to make. So Septaria 18 is where I got this from. And yeah, so there are some sequin mixes in those. And again, same thing, bag topper. I left pretty blank, and then she can just reuse the bag as well. And then I added some of these embellishments of the pinwheels where I put the bling on the bottom, and again left the bag topper blank that she can reuse the bag. And yeah, so I did those 3 for her. Then I also did a small embellishment box, and I put her name on it. And I just added some flowers. I've never done this before, but I, you know, getting some things for my challenge has inspired me to make things a little bit more oomph, like put more into it. So that's what I did. So then I did this as well and just added some stuff on here. And then inside, I just added a few things. And just the hearts, some sequin mixes, some flat back jemmies, some confetti type stuff that I like to use in my projects, and then some tassels. And then I did a tassel here as well. Her colors that she likes are green and pink. This is a little bit blue, but I'm sure she'll still love that. Then I'm going to share with her some envelopes that I had made, so that she can use to send out friend mail or what have you. Then I also made this, the little bookcase or bookshelf or book whatever, and I made this for her as well, and I just decorated the sides. Nothing on the back, I left that blank. And I did this little book here, and I put my little globes on there with the confetti inside, or the pieces. And I had some of these little cake topper pieces, and I add those in just as embellishment. So I put a variety of them in there because you can always use those on your projects. And I just had it with Velcro. And again, I like it plain. I just think the flowers are beautiful on its own. And I did that color there. Then I decided I was gonna do it with the, use my laminator. So, and then I just put some sequin mix inside. And then inside I did a charm for her. So I did that. In the third one, and again, I just kept adding the globe pieces on there. I did it with Velcro again, and I put in there the suckers that I made. And I just put in 3 of them that would fit. Or sorry, the lollipops. And then in the last one, I did another one like that with the laminated sheets. And then I just put my scrap paper flowers inside that I created. So that's those. Let me put this to the side here. And of course, I'm gonna wrap everything up. So it'd be like, you know, receiving some good old Christmas gifts. And this was a lot of fun to make too. I really enjoyed making that. Then I also made these little things. This bag I made on Alicia's Crafty Hot Block when she did her live video. So I made 2 of these bags while watching her video. And inside, I did, I don't want to open it, but there's just some charms in that one. And I believe it's the same. Actually, this one's open anyway. So let's take a look. This one is a pair of earrings that I made for her. Like so. As you guys know, I do like making jewelry. I'll fix that up in a second. And then this one, good thing for washi tape. And then I made her a bracelet to go with it, and that's in pink. And I just used seed beads, and it's a stretch bracelet. And then I just added another pinwheel inside there. And then in this one, I did another heart crepe paper rosette. And I cut that through my die, or through my die machine, and I just put pieces of cardstock on the back. And then I shared a charm tutorial, and I created these little charms. So you can put it on your purse. You can really do anything with that. And that's super cute. That's that one. A pinwheel. And this one is, can't remember. This one is, this is another purse charm, but it's a different one that will go right on the zipper itself. And that's in pink with the star, which will match her earrings. So that's with that one. And then I also made her this little container. I got this container at the dollar store, and it was just a clear container. And the lid comes off, and the lid was wood. So then I just added the flowers, and I put a piece of cardstock on the bottom. It's all from the same paper pad, really. And I put some pom-pom trim around it. You can see that the wood's on that side. And then I made her a bunch of rosettes, and I did them using my Tim Holtz rosette die cut, my first time using it. And I just made a whole bunch of rosettes for her. So this container is full of rosettes. I've never decorated anything like that before, so that was fun to create as well. Then I made this, just the envelope that I'm going to put some of the pieces that I'm going to share with you now in there. But I did make a simple memory dex card for her. So just that one there. And that's again using this has, it's a crepe paper die. I made a rosette, and then I just took the paper and used my die cut and all of these and put some tulle over it, and then put it on top of my memory decks card, and the back just has my information on it. And I also made this vellum pouch and the flower and the crepe paper and everything as well. So this is all handmade. I also made some different size cards, and they're all empty so that she can reuse as she likes. And it's just like so. And I made the envelopes to go with them. So I just used it from the paper pad, and I just cut accordingly to that and created the envelopes according to that as well. So that's those. So I think that's all of the handmade stuff that I did. I have this little container that I got from the Dollarama, and I bought her some sequin trim, so I just put those 2 pieces in there. I got this flamingo paper pad. I love the colors in that, especially for summer. And then I got her some gold sequin trim, and then some pink trim, and I just put it in another bag and just added some trim on the outside that you can just easily open. And then I just put a little bag topper on the top. So that's that. I bought these wooden butterflies. I thought they were adorable, and they're hangers, like you can hang them up. And I just thought they were super cute. And I actually just did a craft recently with that, which you might have already seen by the time this uploads, but if not, you'll see it soon. And then I just bought her some of the vine trim in gold. And then I bought her some epoxy shimmer stickers. And these are the mermaid theme. Then I bought her some flowers, and they're pink and purple. I bought these gem embellishments, and they're just the heart bling bling, and they're stickers. And then I bought these 2 packages of flowers. We don't have a Tuesday morning or Hobby Lobby or anything like that, so I'm limited to the stuff that I can buy. And then I thought I would give her some laminated poly pouches so that she can, if she's doing some Happy Mail or something, she could use that to gift to others. And these card stock tags that she can embellish and create the way that she wants, and they're the 3 different size and comes with the twine. I thought these were cute when I saw them. They are felt doilies, and they come with the 3 different shades, and they're 2 of each. So those were cute. I also got these butterflies. So I figured you can't go wrong with butterflies. I thought they were really, really cute. They're made out of felt, and they have the 3 blings down the center of them. Then I did just some pink pom-poms where she likes pink. I also did, I got her some felt in 2 different colors. And I figured she might be able to make some tassels or anything. I know she can probably get them where she's at, but I, wanted to add some stuff with her so that she didn't have to go out. And then the last thing that I can see here, which I'm sure, I think this is it. I did these vellum print stack packs, and these are the ones I showed in a recent haul, and they just have sentiments on them. Really adorable sayings and everything there. So she can cut them out whatever way she wants. You can use them on cards. You can use them on anything. And that's what I did for my first swap. I hope it's enough things that I created and bought for her. I always feel it's not enough when I want to give a gift to someone. So I'm hoping that this is enough, and if not, of course, I will make up for it some way or another by sending her some more stuff. But this is what I am sending her, and if you guys have any suggestions or anything, I'm going to wrap everything, so everything will be inside of a bag or in some tissue, or it'll be some way or another that she won't be able to see it when she pulls it out, unless it's already in a bag topper bag or something like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the items that I am sending off for my first swap. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.